Welcome to our washing machine showdown. Today we're comparing two popular portable washers, the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the Mini Portable Washing Machine. We'll dive into their features, capacities, and how they stack up against each other in terms of performance and convenience. Whether you're living in a small apartment or need a travel-friendly option, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER offers a respectable 6.6 pounds, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine boasts an 11L capacity, which is ideal for larger items or multiple smaller items at once. This difference in capacity could be a deciding factor for users with varying laundry needs. The BLACK+DECKER comes equipped with multiple wash cycles, including heavy, gentle, normal, rapid, and soak, catering to various laundry needs. On the other hand, the Mini Portable Washing Machine features a unique 360 degrees deep blue light cleaning system, which adds an innovative touch to its washing capabilities. Depending on your laundry preferences, these features may influence your choice. In terms of operation, the BLACK+DECKER is a fully automatic washing machine, making it easy to use with minimal intervention. In contrast, the Mini Portable Washing Machine is semi-automatic, requiring some manual steps during the washing process. This distinction may appeal to users who prefer a hands-off approach to laundry. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER 0.9 CU Fort Portable Washer and the Mini Portable Washing Machine offer unique features catering to different needs. The BLACK+DECKER excels in capacity and automatic operation, while the Mini offers portability and innovative cleaning technology. Consider your laundry habits and space requirements when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.